everyone, and today we'll be doing the thing. I think you've already noticed I got a haircut. Pretty sure now. Okay. I'm okay with it. Right now it's pretty early. It's 6:27. So that's pretty early. I mean, yeah, for a summer day, that's pretty early. So we're gonna get packed up and leave and go. So I'll show you some clips of while we're on the road and Andres, because he's gonna come on with me, my family and stuff. Alright, so let's go. Hey guys, and right now we're at the beach. We made it. It's really windy and stuff. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. The beach is over there. And I'm about to go have some more fun and see you when I get back home. Hey guys, we've come back from the beach. I have just taken a shower and what's it called? Over here, this is my room. This is Andres' room. Over here, this is my room. It's got a really cool thing. We're able to watch YouTube on this really old TV. Mirror, closet, drawers. The creepiest, well, it's not doing it now. Weird. This really creeps me out. Sometimes the door would just, there you go. No strings, no nothing. To confirm that. No one. Look. Nothing. Nothing. Connected to the door. Everyone else is downstairs, but they're watching something. Later on, we're gonna go to the boardwalk, go do some arcade games, other stuff. That'll be fun. Yeah, that's it. So I'll see you when we probably get there. So, hey guys, so sorry I didn't get to record much. Not much happened last night. What really happened, I just fell asleep, passed out, don't really remember much, and yeah, this is a pretty short video, but hope you'd enjoy, and yeah.